Welcome to an in-depth look at Wirewound Resistors, the heavyweight champions of the power world. These essential components are the hidden muscle inside your home, your car, and your city, managing immense power loads. The foundation of true power handling relies on a simple design, a solid metal wire wrapped tightly around a core. The skeleton of a Wirewound resistor is a ceramic core. It's built to survive intense heat and isolate massive voltages. The muscle is made of thick alloys, like nichrome and copper nickel. Their physical mass allows raw current to flow safely. Finally, the armor. Vitreous enamel and rugged aluminum housings seal the power against moisture, dust, and physical impact. Superpower 1 is heavy lifting. Wirewound resistors scale from a few watts to several kilowatts, carrying loads that would destroy standard electronics. Superpower 2 is staying cool. They are designed as massive heat sinks, instantly moving extreme temperatures away from the core. Superpower 3 is being a shock absorber. Their high thermal mass swallows sudden, violent electrical surges alive. Comparing them to microchips, Wirewound resistors excel in power handling, heat tolerance, and physical mass, while microchips dominate in high-frequency speed. The kryptonite for Wirewound resistors is inductance. The coiled wire creates it, making them too big and too slow for high-frequency digital data. In the home and shop, they protect power tools from startup surges and keep high-end audio signals perfectly stable. On the road, they act as secret brakes in electric vehicles and trains, safely burning off massive kinetic energy as heat. They are powering the future by managing unpredictable power surges and balancing the load in solar and wind energy grids. You cannot digitize heat. In a world obsessed with microscopic technology, true power will always require physical muscle.